This is the easiest way that I have found to apply makeup to my deep set eyes. I always take some type of primer. I like using my cream highlight makeup, and then I use my contour to actually contour my nose, and I take it right up over top of my eye crease where I would naturally have a shadow, and I do a little bit on the lower lid too. Then we go in with an eyeshadow brush and our powder eyeshadow and set the cream base. So I'm using a lighter matte color here, and I go over top of where I applied the contour first, and that's just my base. And this is when I go in with the denser, smaller end of the brush, a darker matte color, and this is how we create that outer defined edge of our outer corner of our eye. So we aren't darkening the entire lid because that makes our eyes look even deeper set than they naturally are. But blending is key. So we do that outer, darker kind of alligator mouth, Pac-Man mouth. Make sure you blend it out really well. Add a little bit of shimmer to that top part of our lid, even the inner corner. Make sure we're blending back over that a little bit. And then the other eye I had already done previously with my foundation color and then my cream contour color. So I'm just applying the same eyeshadow colors over top, being sure to go kind of above my crease with that darker color, not directly in my crease. That is total key. And then again, blending out, making it all smooth together. I like defining the lower lash line with a little bit of that light matte eyeshadow instead of mascara.